friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you have liked my previous drum videos. Let us start with the basic drum notations in session skills. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy learning! Drum Notation Guide. This notation guide will help you to play drums. In these all symbols, you can see a small line. This small line is common in every symbol. Let's come to the first symbol. Right cymbal known as RC, hi-hat known as HH. On the top of the first line, there is a cross. This is known as right cymbal or hi-hat. This is the right cymbal and this is the hi-hat. Crash cymbal. There is a circle on the top of the first line and inside there is a cross. This crash cymbal is known as CC. This is our crash cymbal. This is the same as the first symbol here. We want to play it more harder to make it crash cymbal. Hi-hat with foot. This symbol is on the fifth line. There is a cross on the fifth line. This is the hi-hat and this is the foot. We play it both together. Closed hi-hat. This cross is on top of the first line. And over the small line there is a plus. This is the closed hi-hat. Open hi-hat. There is a cross over the first line and on top of the small line there is a circle. It is called open hi-hat. This is called open hi-hat but I have not opened it, so it is not an open hi-hat. High tom. This is called the high tom. The dot is between first and second line. Mid-tom. This dot is on the second line. This is the mid-tom. Snare drum. This is between second and third line. This is called the snare drum. Floor tom. This is called the floor tom. This dot is between third and fourth line. Bass drum. This is the bass drum. Its second name is foot, as written here. This dot is between fourth and fifth line. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. This last line we will explain you in the next video. Thank you.